everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. In today's tutorial, I'm going to guide you through how to add text-to-speech on TikTok. Start by tapping open your TikTok application from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are logged in, go ahead and record a video on TikTok first. Tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen, which will take you to your camera screen. It's pretty easy to add a text-to-speech on any of your videos on TikTok, so simply go ahead and record a video by pressing the red circle. You can also go ahead and add in an existing video from a camera roll. To do so, tap on Upload from the camera page and select one of a video that you'd like to use. Once you've done that, tap on the next button in the bottom right corner. From your video preview, tap on the next button in the top right hand corner after you're done selecting the part of the video that you'd like to include. Once you're done, this is how it would look like. In order to add in a text-to-speech on this video, tap on the text icon at the bottom of the screen, type in your caption. From the keypad displayed on the screen, you can change the font of your caption by selecting from this area over here. Also, you can change the color of the text from the color menu. After you're done, this is how your caption would look like. Now, in order to add text-to-speech, tap on the text again. In the pop-up, tap text-to-speech. You should hear your text read aloud as you preview your video.
Let's eat.
After you're done,
Let's
tap the next button at the bottom right. Go ahead and describe your video and tap on the post button at the bottom right corner and post your content like you normally do. How to add a link in your TikTok bio. If you want to add a link on your TikTok bio so that you can send viewers directly to your website soon after they click on that link, it can be a great idea if you want your TikTok bio to help promote your website, a donation link, or anything else you want to showcase. If you want to add a link on your TikTok bio, start by tapping open your TikTok application. Once you open up your web browser, make sure you're logged into your account. In order to add a link on your TikTok bio, the first thing you'll need to do is to make sure to switch to a business account. Go to your profile page by tapping on the profile button at the bottom right corner. And as you can see that my TikTok is a personal account, so let me go ahead and switch my TikTok profile to business. So go and tap on the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner from your profile page. Tap on manage account on the next page. Under account control, tap switch to business account. On the next page, tap on the next button at the bottom of the screen, choose a category that describes your account from the display, and tap next. Now you have switched your account to a business account. Soon after you do that, you can tap on edit profile and go to your edit profile section. From this page, you'll be able to see a button that says website. Give it a click. Now, after you do that, simply add in a hyperlink or whatever you want to promote. In my case, let me go ahead and copy one of my YouTube video link and paste it into the website tab. This is the video that I would like to promote, so simply tap on the share button right under the video, tap on copy link, go back to your TikTok and paste in the link into the website text box. After you're done, tap save at the top right hand corner and you'll be able to see that a link has been added on a TikTok. Go back to your profile page and you should see the link right under your bio. Now, if anyone taps on that link, they'll be redirected to the particular video that you copied the link from. How to go live on TikTok. If you are a TikTok user, then you must be pretty much aware of the live feature on TikTok. It comes with full benefits and is a perfect way for you to grow your audience, interact with them, and engage with your followers in a real-time basis. Open up your TikTok application from your app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you're logged in, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on the create icon or the plus icon. Soon after you do that, you'll be taken to your camera screen. In the bottom of the screen, you'll be able to see three options. Choose the live option from the menu. Once you do that, you'll be able to see a preview of your video feed. You can add a title to your live stream right next to your picture. You can turn your comments on or off by going to settings at the right corner and simply toggle the button on or off right next to comments. You can allow viewers to send you gifts during your live by enabling this button right next to live gifts. Add a filter or effects by tapping on the effects button at the top right. You can also choose the filter of your choice by simply swiping through the screen towards the right side or the left one and choose the appropriate filter for yourself. Other than that, you can enhance your video. Share your live stream through connected social media platform by tapping on the share button. You can also send it to a particular person or simply share it to one of your social media accounts. After you're done and you are ready to go live, tap on go live and begin streaming your video. Once you're done with your live, simply press the power button at the bottom right corner and end your live by tapping on End Live in the pop-up. Your live summary page will appear soon after you are done. How to auto-scroll on TikTok. In order to auto-scroll on TikTok, go and tap open your Play Store first. In the search box at the top, search for auto-scroll and make your search. From the search results, tap on this automatic scroll app and tap on the install button in order to begin the downloading process. Wait until the application gets downloaded on your Android phone. After the application has been installed, tap on the open button in order to launch the app open. Now, this is the first interface of automatic scroll. Toggle on the Start Service button at the top, and once you do that, you'll be able to see the pop-up. Tap on Show the settings. Allow the permission by enabling this button over here. This permission allows the app to show things on top of other apps that you're using. Now go back. After you're done and you end up in this page over here, tap on the plus button at the bottom right corner. Select an app that you'd like to auto-scroll on. In our case, we're trying to auto-scroll on TikTok, so let's select TikTok, give it a tap, and tap on OK at the bottom. Now, tap on Start Service at the top one more time. Tap on Show the settings. From the accessibility page, tap on Install Service. Make sure that your automatic scroll function is turned on. Simply tap it on and toggle on the button right next to Off. In the pop-up, tap on Allow in order to allow automatic scroll to have full control on your phone. Now you can go back from the home page of automatic scroll, tap on the three dots at the top right hand corner, go to Settings. In the pop-up, scroll all the way down, and once you reach to the Pages section where it says the delay between pages, choose up to your desired time period. Let me put it to 13 seconds. After you're done, go back to the main homepage of automatic scroll. Make sure that the Start Service button is enabled. Now you can simply go and open up your TikTok application. As you can see that there is a control panel appearing at the right side of the screen. Simply press this button over here in order to auto scroll your TikTok homepage. As you can see that I can now easily auto scroll, which will be much easier to view all of the TikTok videos from the home page. You won't even have to swipe your fingers through the video. How to add text on TikTok. To add in a text on your TikTok video, the first thing to do is open up your TikTok app from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on the plus button at the bottom of the screen and you'll end up in the camera screen. Record or upload a video of your choice. You can record a video by pressing on the red record button at the bottom, or you can simply upload an existing video. In my case, I'm going to choose an existing video. To do so, tap on the uploads button at the bottom right corner. Select the video that you'd like to upload and tap on the next button at the bottom right. This is your video preview. From this page, you can add in a text of your choice on your TikTok video. Tap on the text button at the bottom of the screen and type in your caption. Once you're done, you can select the font type from the menu. Edit your caption by selecting the font and the color. After you are done with it, place the text somewhere that you'd want and tap on Next at the bottom right corner. Add in a description to your video, mention your friends, or add in some of the hashtags, and finally tap on Post at the bottom right corner. How to search on TikTok. If you want to make a search on TikTok for a specific words and phrases, users, or hashtags, then here's how to do it. Tap open TikTok app from the app drawer. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok, and once you do that, tap on the Discover button at the bottom left hand side of the screen. You'll be able to open up a search page. Right beside it, you should be able to see a QR scanner. Below it, there are a list of most popular hashtags, effects, and sounds on TikTok right now. You can tap any of them if you want to search for any video and explore from the hashtags. Go to the top where the search bar is and give it a tap in order to search for words, phrases, users, or topics. As you type in, the most popular results will appear. If you're searching for a specific person, from the result, tap on the person and you'll be able to enter their profile. You can also use the app's QR code scanner. Tap on the QR code icon at the top right hand. And if you want to find someone's profile, then you can simply go ahead and scan their QR code to immediately view their profile on TikTok.
How you can fix login error of your TikTok. Go to your Play Store or App Store. Now, once you reach your Play Store, on the address bar, type the name of the app of which you want to fix the login error of. So that's TikTok for us today. So here type TikTok and then open it. Now again tap on the app. Now the next thing you need to do is check whether any update is available or not. If updates are available for your app, then update your app, and once you have updated your app, try re-logging in, and that will also fix the login error. So if this this fixes the problem, that's great, and if it doesn't, don't worry, I have another solution as well. For another solution, let's go back to our home page once more, and here you need to tap on the settings app. Now scroll down until you find the app, so that is the app option. Tap on it. Here again, type the name of the app by tapping on the search icon. Here type TikTok and then open it. Now once you have opened your app, you will see your storage option. Tap on it. Now the next thing you need to do is clear the cache of this app. So once you have cleared the cache, then you can again log in, and that will also fix a login error. So if both of these solutions does not work for you, the easiest solution is go back and then uninstall your app. So once you have uninstalled your app, reinstall it and try logging in, and that will definitely fix your login error. You know how to uninstall an app, just long press on the app, then you will see your option with uninstall. Tap on it, and to reinstall your app, go to your Play Store or App Store, type the name of the app and then reinstall it. And once you have reinstalled, try logging in as I've mentioned earlier.
How you can save TikTok videos. So first of all, open your TikTok. Now scroll and choose any of the video you like. I'd like to choose this one. Now press on the screen for a while and you'll see the first option called save video. Tap on that. So here you have successfully selected and saved the video. If you want to share to your Facebook, WhatsApp or any other apps, you can just share it. Or if you want just keep it in your gallery, just tap on cancel and you can check for the video you have just saved in your gallery. So this is how you save videos from your TikTok. How to make your videos private on TikTok. So first of all, open your TikTok app. After that, select any song and use this song. And if you want to use filters or effects, tap on effects or filter and tap on an effect you like. And below you'll see red button, tap on that and make a video. After you're done with that, tap on tick sign which is at the bottom right of your screen. Now tap on next option which is at bottom right of the screen. Now you'll see the option of who can watch this video. That means you want to make your video private or public. Tap on that. You can select any of the options. It's written everyone, friends or private. So if you want to make video private, just tap on private option and tap on post which is at the bottom right of the screen. Now tap on your profile icon. As you can see, the video you recently posted has not been shown on the screen. That means your video is private. So to check the video, you can just tap on lock sign which is at the right corner of the screen. So here you can tap the video and check it. So these are few simple easy steps how you can make your video private, how you can unfollow someone on TikTok. So first of all, open your TikTok app. Now below you will see 5 different icons. Tap on discover icon. Now you will see text bar of search at the top of your screen. Tap on that. Enter the username whom you have already followed. Below the user profile picture you will see profile icon. Tap on that. So here you have successfully unfollowed someone on your TikTok. So you can add to draft in your TikTok account. So first of all, open your TikTok app. After that, tap on plus sign which is at the bottom of your screen. Now tap on red button which is at bottom middle of the screen. You must press it for how long you want to make your TikTok. After you are done with that, leave the button and tap on the tick sign which is at the right bottom of your screen. Now tap on next which is at the right bottom of your screen. Again at the bottom of your screen you will see 2 options. It's written draft and post. Tap on draft. So here you have successfully saved your video in draft. So if you want to check it back, go to your profile icon and tap on draft. So as you can see, your video has been already saved in draft. How you can add to your favorite in your TikTok account. So first of all, open your TikTok app. Now you can scroll down and look for video whichever you like. So here I have selected this one. Tap on the screen. Below you'll see the option of add to favorite. Tap on that. So here you have successfully added to your favorite list.
How to log out of your TikTok app. If you want to log out of your TikTok app, then here's how to do it. In today's video, I'm using my Android device, but if you have an iPhone, then the process is quite similar. So you can simply follow the steps for your iPhone as well. Go to your TikTok app and make sure you are inside your home page. From the main home screen, go and tap on the profile icon at the lower right hand corner. This will take you to your profile page. You'll be able to see all of the videos that you've created on TikTok. In this page, go to the top right hand corner and tap on the hamburger menu. From the settings and privacy page, scroll all the way down and under login, you should see two options. You can switch between accounts if you have more than one account logged into your TikTok app with the device. Tap on switch accounts if you want to switch between the accounts. If you want to log out of the particular account, tap on the log out button at the bottom. Now, in the pop-up that asks you if you are sure you want to log out, tap on log out in order to confirm your selection one more time. After a few seconds, you'll be logged out of your TikTok application. To sign in back again from this page, you need to tap on the login button. Select any one option that you'd like to use in order to log in. But remember to select the exact option that you used while signing up for TikTok. Let me choose the first option. Here, you can either enter your mobile number that is registered to TikTok or type in your email or your username followed by your password and tap on login.
How to delete TikTok account. For that, first of all, open up your TikTok app on your phone. After you open up your app, be sure that you're logged into your account. Then tap on the profile option, which is at the bottom right of your screen. On the top right of your screen, you'll see a 3-bar menu icon. Tap on it. Under account section, there you'll see the option of manage account. Tap on it. Then select delete account. If you delete your account, you will no longer be able to log into TikTok with that account. You will lose access to the videos that you have posted. You won't get any refund on any items that you have purchased, or the information in your account won't be saved. Now, if you want to continue, tap on continue. To verify your identity, you'll have to enter your password. After you're done, tap on delete account. A pop-up message will appear on your screen asking if you're sure you want to delete your account. Select delete. Your account will now be deactivated, and within 30 days your account will be deleted. This way you can delete your TikTok account. Thank you for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more tutorial videos, hit the subscribe button, and if you have something to say, please leave a comment.